So, do you guys want to see me build stairs? Okay. Now let's build some stairs. Hold up. Let me do something. Okay. Video. Alright. So guys, you're gonna be helping me build stairs. Like, sorry I finished without you guys. I'm very, 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 very sorry. Okay, let me go up there. So mad. Okay, okay, there. Thank you guys for helping me though. You guys are very, ow. That hurt. What is it? Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Should I go to creative mode, guys? Let me know in the comments. You see that, guys? It's all the same thing. I need to hurry up before these monsters come out. And do you guys know what game I am playing right now? Do you know? I am playing. Oh, do you guys want to see the move very quick? Look at that. Isn't that so beautiful? Well, guys, it's time for bed. Let's go. Sorry about the glitches, guys. I'm on a Samsung phone right now. So, oh, this is my brother's one. Don't worry about that. Oh, ads! Come on. Okay, okay, let's go finish our stairs. Like, when we go hunting. Okay. Ooh. That hurt, guys. Can you help me? Okay, let me stand up here. Yeah, I'm gonna go to creative mode, guys. Hold up, I'm gonna come back.
Well, I guess I can put them back. I need some cups. I got one cup. And I got a car.
Okay, now.
And I need the shelf like this. It's like, wow.
Okay, guys, I'm back with creative mode.
So soft. I like it. Look how much space. Open up. Oh, yuck. Don't.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Well,
Hold up. Oh, missed.
oh, I like this shit. It's cute. It's cute.
And guys, this is gonna take forever, so I'm gonna explore.
I got it. And I need a drink.
Okay, I'm going back home. This is scary.
I like this bottle. I like it. It's this juice. Oh.
Yes, guys, don't worry about the flag. I love purple so much. It's my favorite. Comment down below if your favorite color is purple. Because we could be sisters or brothers if you like. If a Never mind. Oh.
Come on, Mama.
Oh. This is.
So what would I be playing? What I would know. Well, we see. I would play
And then next episode, we're gonna be building a porch for my house. You know, I already built the farm for our next video.
go down here.
Hold up.
Oh yeah, I was playing this one. Oh. I have to leave and die. Leave and jump. Leave and jump.
Oh, hold up.
Oh. I don't actually want this. Oh. It's going to get me. Oh, stop.
I did that for nothing. Oh my gosh. So mad. Oh, no. Ah. Don't worry about this guy. Oh.
Okay, she's ready.
Oh, anyway, and you guys want to see what my character looks like? Okay, no, I just want to. Okay, look.
Oh, she's coming to her. Mama.
Hey guys!
Sister, what do you play?
I'm playing crafting, brother. And I'm talking to my fans right now. So,
Still, what are you playing?
I'm playing crafting. Oh my gosh! Okay, now let's get back to the thing. Bye. All the words on my head, I'm fine. Oh, sorry guys. Ooh, the way that things have been. Ooh, baby, I believe it, believe it. Pain, let me up, you let me up, believe it, believe it. Hey, sorry guys, that's my little sister. She was saying, you let me up, believe it, believe it. Don't let me Hey, let me out, she let me up, believe it, believe it. Oh, sorry guys. Comment down below if you still want me to sing.
Hey! Let me out, believe it.
Oh my gosh, my baby sister is loud.
First things first.
I will say all the words that's on my head. I'll fight all the way that things have been. Oh, and I bet that. Built that all by myself. Inside, that side. Came from Pay.
Let me go on Google and see what that song is.
Believer.
Believer is called Believer.
Yes, duh.
Hey! Whoopie.
Oh my gosh, Kiana, what was that?
I say, hey,
Yeah, that's Believer. First things first, I will say all the words that's on my head. I'm fired, tired of the way that things have been. Ooh, the way that things have been. Ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what. Oh, ah! See you guys.